Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and this is a major upgrade in our pool system here. This is the Sta-Rite System 3 S7MD72 D.E filter. Wow, that was a mouthful. It took me like 3 times to get that out all at once. But this thing is so freaking cool, so awesome. The quality is just amazing. Let me show it to you. I'll talk to you about the details, and I'll come back. I'll give you my overall impression. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a Modular D.E filter. They call it their SMD Series, and it's actually manufactured by Pentair, and we all know what kind of quality that means. The filter is 72 square feet of effective area, and it has a 2-inch tank port size. So obviously 72 feet is a giant filter. It has a 2-piece housing, which is constructed of like this Duraglass, they call it. It looks like a reinforced fiberglass. Per Sta-Rite, they use the leading glass reinforced composite resin. I have no reason to doubt it looking at it. It's actually reasonably small for the size of the filter and the filtering capacity. Look, I am not a pool guy. I am a pool user. This is recommended by my pool professional. He installed it. We've now used it for a while, and I can tell you it has worked ridiculously well. All right, let's go back to me. Overall, the cartridge system is a major advantage. This thing has been super cool, has worked perfectly. The installation wasn't terrible. Overall, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 and a worthwhile upgrade in anybody's pool system. We're very happy with this. In any case, hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.